We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the audio warning and strobe light option of this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera. So first you will need to launch the ieGeek Cam application, then find your camera here, open its settings, go into alarm management, then audio warning and strobe light. That's how you switch it on, that's how you switch it off. As you can see from here, just note that sound and light alarm is only valid at night. Once enabled, you can also change its alarm method between audio warning, only audio warning, only white light warning, or both. Here you can also adjust the volume of the audio warning. And if you would like to know how this warning looks like, let me quickly try to show you. Or actually, I'll need to enable the motion detection first, I guess. So let's do that. Alarm management, motion detection enabled, sensitivity is high. Alarm area. I need to clear it. Get back. So motion is enabled. Audio warning, strobe light. It's hard to tell whether it works or not because it is not specified what the app means by night. What are the certain time frames for the night that this app considers. So probably even if I were to trigger the motion detection, hopefully I can trigger it, please. Anyway, so if the motion detection is triggered, as you could have seen, it didn't prompt this audio warning and strobe light because simply it's not night yet. It's 5:30 p.m. and probably app thinks that it's nighttime, but well, that's fine. I hope regardless, you've grasped the basics of setting this feature up. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.